welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu the Seed from the 21st to the 25th of December 2020 on Monday. Kamadonsela struggled living with the guilt, so she eventually confessed to Phakade on Tuesday. Mpanza made us Zamazama and sleep past Nkululeko and Zithulele unseen on Tuesday. Zithulele asked Mazulu to reach out to Nirupa again. Shreya asked Nirupa to make peace with Mazulu. Figile learns that Zethu will be staying at the Bengo house on Thursday. Thokoze discovers Nkululeko was involved in the shooting. Mpanza tells Thokoze that he was the one who tried to shoot Nkululeko at Msamo on Friday. Khanyo has her leadership role at the church revolt. In the wake of this, Benzile defends Khanyo, ending the anger of Kamadonsela. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thought. Bye.